Hello people of the internet. Today we're going to be talking about, is it safe to use a web browser along with your Tor browser or browser to access .onion sites type browser or deep web browser, whatever you want to call it. So someone asked on a forum that I was looking at the other day, and they asked if it was safe to use a browser in addition to the Tor browser. And basically what they were saying is that if I have another browser opened with the Tor browser, is that safe? And I would veer to say no, that is not safe. If you want to be fully safe, you run just through the Tor network. And if you want to be extra safe, you can see that I'm running Windows 10 right now. If you want to be extra safe, then you're going to be wanting to run an actual operating system. Windows is an operating system, so you want to be running something rather different than Windows operating system. You're going to be wanting to run Tails or something similar that's specific for the Tor network. It is not safe to use another browser alongside your Tor browser, because that other browser is leaking your IP address and different things. They're giving websites information so they can better their website and basically exposing you. But on the Tor network, they're not exposing you. So if you only use the Tor network, you should be safe. And if you use it through an operating system, then you're also safe as well. You're even more so safe. So don't use a web browser alongside Tor. Never, and I say never, use a web browser alongside Tor. Never use those at the same time. If you're gonna use one, just use one or the other. And like I said, if you're going to be using Tor or the Tor browser or anything similar that connects you to those .onion sites or to the deep web, then you're going to be wanting to use an operating system specific to the Tor network, like Tails. And you can find that download of Tails in the description below. You will also be able to find the download for the Tor browser in the description below. And ask me for any other links that you have questions about in this video, and I will provide those. Stay safe, be safe, stay safe, be smart, and don't do anything illegal over the internet. And I will see you in the next video.